Okay, so we're in Wuhan, kind of on this kind of cool little street, so I'm going to sit over here and I'm going to get one of these. So we'll show you what it looks like. And I tried to order this one, so we'll see what it looks like. I think it's going to be like a little bit of like that, but a little bit different. I think that's I think that one is this one. I'm going to try to get that. We'll see. We'll see what it is. Stay tuned. We're out in Wuhan.
I want to see Wuhan. Oh, I really want to see Wuhan. Wuhan. Oh yeah!
Okay, so you probably came to this video because you're interested to see Wuhan, China. And Wuhan is a pretty cool city. I actually really enjoyed spending some time there. And actually I have 16 videos. This is just number 2. So you're gonna see 14 other ones. So I filmed the first one, a little bit of the background of that one behind me. This one I was exploring the main pedestrian street. And then in this particular video, and I'll share a little bit of a preview behind me as well, but I started looking for food. And if you know anything about Wuhan, it's very heavy carbohydrates. And I personally really like carbohydrates a lot. So I was kind of in food heaven here. And one of the first dishes that I tried was noodles inside of a bread. And some vegetables in there too, you can see it. So what I'm gonna be doing is you can see a little bit of a preview right here. And then you're gonna see me kind of go through the whole process of experiencing eating out on the street and enjoying this nice meal. And anyways, this is just 2. And what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing my experiences in Wuhan through 16 videos. So, and I'll put the links below so you can subscribe and you can just check them out at any time. And if you go down below, I'll eventually have all 16 down below. So this is just number 2. You can even go back and view number 1, which is a pedestrian street. There's a little preview again, in case you missed it. Just click on the link below and you can watch the whole thing. Anyways, Wuhan, what a cool city. And let's just get right into it. Pow. Okay, so let me see. That's what this is all about. Put the soda there. I think I'm gonna have to use it like a wrap. Okay. It's pretty tasty. A lot of interesting stuff happening. So it seems like, from what I can gather, the main street is kind of a walking street. And then if you want something to eat, you come over here, which is 1 block away. So we're going to start off in this area. And you got like all these little, got some really good Wuhan food here too. Kind of impressed. So they also announced the restaurants and such as well. It's like parking with a bunch of more food in here. Pretty loud, eh? There's even food in this parking lot. Got a big long line for this one. And believe it or not, it's actually a Wednesday night tonight. So this is what it looks like on Wednesdays. It's so lively. I don't know what it looks like later, but okay. So many food choices too. I just had some Wuhan food a little while ago, so that one looks kind of juicy. There's potatoes. Seems like there's a lot of octopus here too. Big long line again. Okay. So I'm going to see what's over on this side, and I think we can get to our main street over there. Kind of cool building. So let's see. Oh yeah, it looks like they're going through an arcade over there. So we're gonna walk around. You can also get a lot of fresh juice. Got motorbikes behind me, so they're honking the horn when they want to go on the pedestrian streets. Okay, so now we're gonna get over to the